What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit subscribe if you haven't already. In this video, I'm going to show you my Charlie Brown Halloween decorations that I did outside of my house. I thought the kids got a tough break this year, so I decided to make my yard a little bit more playful and fun for them. So stay tuned. Alright guys, for those of you who have been watching my videos, you probably already noticed that my front door is bright yellow. So I'm going to take advantage of that, and I'm going to use that to make Charlie Brown's infamous yellow shirt. So I'm going to use these 3 black construction papers that I found laying around my house, and I'm going to make the black stripe that goes across the shirt. I've had these glitter bats for quite some time now. I might have gotten them from Dollar Tree or Walmart, but I'm going to show them flying across the door. I purchased these vinyl clips a couple of months ago so I can hang things on my front porch, and I also got this gigantic large spider web and this huge spider. And I got that online. I'm gonna put a link in the description box on all these items as well. And I decided that I'm gonna have a playful Halloween this year, but I also want to have a bit of a scare effect. So I'm gonna put this gigantic spider that looks like he's gonna be coming towards the children when they come to the door. Doesn't that look awesome? These are some of my favorite pieces of decorations that I have for Halloween that I got on a Halloween clearance at the at-home store. I love these too. They're so cute. I found this leftover piece of wood in my shed, and I'm going to try to use it to make a permanent sign for my pumpkin patch. And I'm just using some regular white paint that I had laying around and a Sharpie, and I'm going to try to make this I'm going to try to write it like a kid wrote it. I think it's Linus's Welcome Great Pumpkin sign. Yeah, I'm going to try to imitate that. And then I'm painting over it with some polyurethane to kind of seal in the design. And these are the pumpkins that I'm going to be using this year. Now, I've learned a little trick to do with my pumpkins every year. It works every time. First, you clean them off. I use a bleach spray to clean off any bacteria on them. Then I cover them with Vaseline, because Vaseline does exactly, what it does on our skin, like how it clogs our pores and skin can't breathe. It does the exact same thing with pumpkins, and it protects them through the weather. So I'm trying to preserve these pumpkins all the way to Thanksgiving, and usually it works. So this is a really good method. And I'm positioning my solar spotlight, so it'll shine a nice glow on my pumpkins at night. And as you can see, my pumpkins are bright and shiny, and they look so healthy and so nice. I purchased these 3 chalkboard easels from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use these bamboo skewers to make little stands out of them. Y'all know I like to do my combination of E6000 glue and a hot glue gun to secure things. Okay, these are also 3 Dollar Tree buckets that I have laying around the house. I'm going to put a circle styrofoam in each of them. The styrofoam's not going to go down all the way, so that's perfect because I want these to kind of prop up. and I'm going to fill each bucket up with some spider web and stick my chalkboard signs into each of them and decorate them up nicely with a few Dollar Tree items that I found. And this is how everything turned out. Doesn't it look awesome? No, doesn't it look spooky? Ooh. And if you guys haven't already watched it already, don't forget to watch my previous week's video on how I decorated my house on the inside for Halloween. I'm gonna put a link right there on top in this video for you, so please be sure to watch that. And this is how everything looks glowing at night. I love it, and I think the kids are going to love it this year. All right, you guys, that's it for my video. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Have a happy Halloween. Bye.